What's up, YouTube? And today I will be doing a video on free PSN codes. So what you want to do is go to this website called PlayStation Network PSN Code Generator. Read the instructions that say if you don't want to get like a free, if you don't want to pay for a PSN code, then you have to go onto this website. A lot of prepaid PSN card codes have already been used to keep on trying. So you got to keep on trying until you get a free PSN code generator. Our generator gives you the best chance to unlock new PSN codes for a free $10 and $20 or $50 card bonus. So let me do it for example. So it's going to generate a code. Finds you a code. There you go. TGKP. Let me type it in my on my PlayStation. It doesn't work. So that doesn't work. So let's try another one. So the basic is you gotta keep trying until you find the one that actually works. Keep trying. And this actually works. No glitches, no nothing. This actually works. You can get unlimited codes. These without hassle of surgeries or risk of viruses. See, this is the only site without surveys that won't get affected by viruses. So trust me on this part, you won't get affected. But if you do something on here, you will get attacked by viruses. So be very careful with how you do it. It depends. So now, this is a short video, so please like and subscribe down below. And I hope you like this tutorial. And if you want to see more, and I also forgot to tell you, I will be doing a story time tomorrow for Valentine's Day and maybe President's Day. It's going to be like the time something happened to me. If you haven't known about my story time series, you'll like it. Please like and subscribe, like I said a million times. And peace.